Guys, it's Curtis. In this video, I will show you everything that you need to get to start a budget bedroom studio. Let's get into it. The very first essential you will need is a laptop. I'm currently using a MacBook Pro late 2014. Now, when it comes to finding a good MacBook Pro, I would say go used. Don't spend all that money right now for a computer. You don't necessarily have to use a MacBook. You can also use a Windows computer as well. So make sure you do that. Make sure to get a laptop. The next essential you would need would be a Midi keyboard. My favorite Midi keyboards right now are Novation. Novation has a line full of keyboards. Currently right now I'm using the launch key, the 61 key. This keyboard works well for larger users and Ableton users as well. So make sure you get yourself a Midi keyboard. Next essential that you would need would have to be my favorite, portable SSDs. It saves the life on your computer. I use one to make sure I back up my computer, and I use the other one to save all my music on. Do not trust the cloud. I trust these more than I trust the cloud. I'm telling you, get you some SSDs. Next thing you need to get are some speakers. I had these speakers for 2 years. These speakers have never let me down. I got these speakers for $100. The link is below. Make sure you get yourself some speakers. The next thing you need to get are some good quality headphones. I got these headphones as well off of Amazon for $60. I rarely use my speakers, but these Audio Technica headphones, when listening to mixes and playback, they do very, very well. Link is below. Make sure you get yourself some headphones. The next thing that you need to get is a microphone. This is a podcast microphone by AKG. I know what you're saying. How am I going to record vocals on a podcast microphone? To me, I think it sounds better on these type of microphones. I spent nothing but $150 on this microphone. You do not have to break the bank to get a good microphone. It's not about what type of gear you have. It's about how you use it. So make sure this microphone. And what I do like about this microphone, you can change all the settings on the side, stereo, wide, you know what I'm saying? You can change the gain on the back, the ambient noise, everything that you want to do, you can actually just do it right here instead of going into whatever software that you're using. Get a microphone. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I want you guys to click the link in below, leave comments, follow me on all my social media. Check out my latest project that I just dropped. It's called the Expression EP. Check it out. Let me know what you want my next video to be. I hope you guys enjoy the video. See you soon. Be cool.